Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and guys, today's expression focuses on time, specifically doing things quickly. The expression is in a New York minute. In a New York minute. So the concept here is that in New York City, people are super busy and things are done very quickly, apparently. So in New York City, a minute is actually less than 60 seconds. So when somebody says to you, hey, I need that done in a New York minute, they're actually saying, I need that done ASAP, or in a jiffy, or in an instant, or right now. So again, in a New York minute means fast. Guys, so you know, No Conocí el Palma is happening this month. It's a festival about the heritage of architecture in Barranquilla. Very cool festival. You definitely want to check it out. You can't click on that link, but it's No Conocí el Palma. Put that in your browser, go check it out. There's all kinds of events happening all over the city. Very important, very cool. Guys, as usual, if you have any questions or if you have any expressions you want me to check out, let me know in the comments below. And as always, have a fantastic day.